Hello, everybody. I'm Rudrani, and this is the winners' corner of Filmfare OTT Awards 2025. And with me is the winner. Flaunt your black lady, Fatima.
Here this is. Here it is. My beautiful black lady. I am so happy to be just standing next to her.
It is kind of incredible, though, that short films are also being celebrated. And given that kind of prestige that they do, we've seen some fantastic short films this year. Congratulations. And tell me how special this has been for you.
It's very special because we usually don't see short films being recognized क्योंकि हम short films करते हैं क्योंकि हमें बस एक कहानी बतानी होती है, कोई बॉक्स ऑफिस का प्रेशर नहीं होता है, पता भी नहीं होता है कि कितने लोग देखेंगे नहीं देखेंगे. And when platforms like these, like Filmfare, for recognizes short format films, it's very motivating for young directors and technicians to go and explore. Even for myself, like I got a chance to play an interesting character, be a part of a story that is saying beyond words. This is the place where we actually get to express ourselves as performers. So this is really beautiful for me.
You know, I got to celebrate a little bit of your work in our fan club. Thank you for doing that. But I think that the fact that you have such incredible romantic love stories through which the women are still so layered, they are so beautiful, and bringing back love stories, you know, because we've been thinking that only dramatic can bring that sense, but you proved them wrong. So tell me about that.
नहीं यार, मैंने तो बस मुझे अच्छी फिल्में मिली, मैंने अच्छी फिल्में की, अच्छे लोगों के साथ की, लोगों तक छू गई. इससे ज़्यादा सेटिस्फाइंग एक्सपीरियंस और क्या ही हो सकता है, क्योंकि हम चॉइसेस करते हैं ये सोच के कि लोगों तक पहुँचे, और जब वो होता है इट्स वेरी सरियल. You know, we've struggled so much, we've given auditions, we've gone, knocked so many doors. When you finally reach here, I mean, I'm standing here holding, Filmfare award जो हम टीवी के सामने बचपन में देखते थे, and to, it's a complete circle, and like for me it's very surreal.
I'll have to let you go, but before that, Fatima, if there is a romantic love story that we again see you in, let's manifest which actor you'd like to do it next with.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Manifestation has started.
Yes.
But I know it's going to be a fantastic year. You're very busy shooting. I don't think you can reveal much on that. But all the very best. And we'll always cheer for you.
Thank you so much.
So delighted. She deserves every bit of this award. You've given us so much love. And here it is. Sani Malhotra with Filmfare.
Thank you. It feels so good. I'm so emotional. I forgot my speech on stage, but it's okay. And I cannot. No, I would like to thank my director Aarti. She was my plus one tonight. My amazing producer Harman Z. My team Natasha. She's my emotional support. And Nishan and Kavaljeet sir and the amazing cast and crew of Mrs. Thank you so much.
So what do? You go and celebrate this with your parents? Do they even know? Are they already aware of it?
Yeah, I've sent them a photo already, but my mother is here and my father is in Delhi. I cannot wait to go show her this. I'm so excited.
This is for all the people who've come with dreams like you and have believed in the conviction and choices that you'd make, Sanya. Maybe this is a representation of a kind for all those actors who dream like you, isn't it?
It is. It is. I'm so glad that I went for my dreams, and I'm so happy and so grateful for the opportunities that I get as an actor. I feel amazing to get an award for Mrs. because this film is extremely special, not just to me, to all the women and to all the amazing men who loved and watched Mrs. This is for them. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Like we said, we're so proud of you.